Help! Look at this place! It needs to be rescued. This is a pseudo-forest. It doesn't function like a real forest. All the trees are the same age and the same size and growing so close together, I had to lose weight just so I could come out here and make this video. Right now, the redwood forest has a gaping wound because we Americans cut down 95% of the original forest. Now it's just a spindly tree plantation begging to be California's next catastrophic wildfire. 2/3 of Redwood National and State Parks looks like this because before it was a park, these were active timberlands and they were logged not too long ago before forest regulations. So there was no one here providing oversight to make sure they didn't cut down all the trees, to make sure they didn't replant with different types of trees, and to make sure they didn't log all the way to the creek and destroy the streams. Restoration is how we help the forest heal. It's the first aid this place has been waiting for. Our project to restore that 2/3 of Redwood National and State Parks is called Redwoods Rising. Redwood Rising is a collaboration between Redwood National Parks, California State Parks, and the Save the Redwood League. And in the last 6 years, we've already restored 3,700 acres of pseudoforest, getting them back on track to heal themselves and become old-growth redwood forests. But here's the thing, when we restore nature, we're also helping people. So we did a socioeconomic study to see how forest restoration creates real jobs and supports local communities. This study looked at the economic impact of Redwoods Rising's restoration work, including jobs, local income, and long-term community benefits. What we found is powerful. For every acre we restore, local workers are hired to run heavy equipment, replant trees, monitor ecosystems. Monitoring ecosystems is like taking nature's vital signs. In fact, our Redwoods Rising projects inside Redwood National and State Parks has created 200 jobs just in 2024. And since Redwood Rising started 6 years ago, it's brought $97 million into the local communities that surround the parks. And beyond those 200 jobs that are added to our region, there are ripple effects. Local businesses benefit, families are supported, and the local community becomes more resilient. So when we talk about restoring forests, it's not just about trees and salmon. It's also about people. It's about creating jobs that restore the land and give local families a way to thrive. Healthy forest means healthy communities. It's about creating a diverse and resilient economy that can handle one of recession's punches. We are done with the boom and bust economies. We want an economy that's rooted and growing, one that's regenerative so it's still intact and going when our grandkids are grown up and supporting their own families. So if you care about forests, salmon, clean air, clean soil, clean water, then restoration is one of the smartest investments we can make. You can learn more about our work and restoration and the socio-economic report that I mentioned at redwoodsrising.org.